All right, guys. So just want to do a quick 5 minute review of my day, of my trades, and of some missed opportunities that I saw. Let's start with my first trade of the day, which was IKT. Um, okay, on the 5 minute, I got in right after the stock reclaimed the 90 MA, rejected, view up, came back to the 90 MA, and then consolidated here for a little bit. And that's when I got in here around 103. I had my risk around 101. Here I had a very tight risk. Just wanted this thing to work right away. And actually started working a little bit and then it just got killed, got destroyed. Now looking after, um, one thing that maybe I could have done better, maybe stayed away from this trade, was because look at all this selling volume here on the 15, right? Look at all this selling volume, and then whenever it starts pushing up, it started pushing up. Look at the buying volume, like so little, so nothing, so much selling. Like this thing looked more dead than not. And anyways, I took the trade, so it's what it is. I did wait. I did do a good job, patiently waiting for it to come back, retest, consolidate, and then go. But it didn't work. However, my risk management was very good. I was able to get in and get out easily, and I didn't get caught here. I moved my stop a little higher here just in case I got any slippage. So this was perfect. Okay, next trade was ENSC. ENSC was kind of like more like a boredom trade, I guess. I missed some opportunities in the beginning of the day, and nothing really was moving at the time. So I took this trade right here when the price went back over the 90 MA. On the 5 minute, it started consolidating, pulling back. Volume was coming back as well, and then it was whenever it started consolidating right here, making this VCP here. That's where I got in, and I was risking this impulse candle right here. I was risking very tight again. So got in around 96 and risking 93-ish, right? I wanted to, to retest view up maybe a little more. But now looking in hindsight, like this first 15-minute candle here, look at this, man. This was absolutely just like a liquidation or something here. Just like, they brought this price up, got a lot of bags, and they just brought it all the way down. And then it was just like weak, 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 weak. So yeah, next time I really have to pay attention to these things here. Whenever they pull back so much and gives no buying price action, I should stay away. Should have waited for some more buy price action around here. Well, good risk management, very small loss, just like the other one. Last trade was BIAF. Okay, so BIAF day 2, right? Day 2, I wanted this thing to break out of red to green and just maybe test some of this supply here, right? But I actually couldn't even pass this first supply right here. But anyways, my entry was right after it reclaimed view up and reclaimed the 90 MA. VCP here for a while, consolidated, low volume. So I took my entry around 264 and I was risking 260 right here, right below these impulse candles here, but right below this consolidation area. Excuse me. Right, and then 264 risking 260. That's 4 cents risk. Wow, this thing went all the way to two. Gave me 284, which is about 4 to 1 in the trade. 4 to 1, but I did not take 100% profits here. Here I took like a quarter right here. Then I waited a little more. Then I took another quarter here. There's a half, and then I wanted, like I said, I wanted this thing to go more. I really wanted this thing to go more, and it just got really heavy. So around here, I took the rest of my shares. Um, Green trade, small green trade. They paid for the other ones, right? But yeah, but I wanted to do a lot more than that. But it's okay. I think it was a good entry, good risk reward. And again, my risk management was really good, just like the other two. If this hadn't worked, I would have cut right real fast right here. Now some missed opportunities. We'll try to make this faster. ATNF. ATNF. This was not on my radar. Actually, I had a kind of a difficult morning here. I was playing with my daughters. I should have just paid more attention to the charts. But anyways, right here, this was beautiful. So then on the 15 minute, this thing starts to die, and then find the bottom, retest it, double bottom, 15-minute candle, retest view up. I mean retest the close above the 90 MA on the 15 minute. Consolidates here, gives a very tight candle right here on almost no volume. This could have been a good entry right here after the double bottom. That's going to be a very good entry actually. 354, risking the low. 332, 20 cents risk, right? 20 cents risk, and look at the reward. But another good entry was right over here after reclaimed view up, and then VCP here, volume coming down. Look at this entry. Could have got in at 376. Maybe you risk this low here. That's another 20 cents risk. That's also very good. Or you can just risk right here if you want to do it tighter, right at the bottom of this consolidation. And look at that, man. Just after that, miss opportunity, but that's a good setup right here. This happens a lot. Double bottom, higher low, consolidation, boom. Next one was COSM, COSM. Same, pretty much the same thing. Like see, like died, reclaimed on the 15 minute closed above. Wait, remove this. 15 closed above the 90 MA. In this case here, whenever the 15 closed above the 90 MA, you see it gave this consolidation, right? This very tight candle right here. This could be a good entry, right? But if you wanted to wait a little more, what I like to do is I like to wait for it to test view up, because most of the times like it doesn't break view up in the first time. So test view up, come back and to the 90 MA and consolidates here on the 90 MA. If you move to the 1 minute, right? See, look, this is the 1 minute right here. This area right here. Consolidate here for a few candles, and boom, you can just get your entry here and risk this prior low here. So it'll be about 610, risking 589. It's 10 cents risk, right? Look at what they did. Oh my god. And if so, yeah. So we had this first option here to enter. After it made it low, reclaimed the 90 MAs, or you could have waited for after it retested the view up. You know, I should have gave a few entries more, a few other entries here too. So, but yeah, but this was a great opportunity. I was actually in front of the computer when I saw this. I was about to get in, and man, like I said, I was playing with my daughters, and Missed this, but it's okay. Learned that I need to be 100% paying attention to this, and that's it. No excuses. That's it. The MTK was a good one too. I had this on watch, and actually see on the 15-minute again died, came back, reclaim, 15-minute closed on the 90 MA here, and then look, it consolidated for 1, 2, almost 3 candles here, about 3 candles on low volume with a good daily. I think could have breakout, and then look, good enter 525, risk 505, which is the below. 20 cents risk. And see again, look, on the 5-minute, made a low, go back, higher low, up, somewhat like a double bottom. You see this? Consolidates above the 90 MA, and boom, it goes. This setup is really, really good. Double bottoms, consolidate, go. Alright, this is it for today. Try to keep these videos short. I was going to try to do 11 minutes. I mean, 5 minutes. It was 11 minutes. Well, anyways, thank you.